Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies. We got this crawl space on this duplex totally cleaned out. It was just trash up to here. Couldn't even really see what was going on, but at one time they had tried to pour new pads and these pads were just failing and sliding. So I got some temporary supports in here on these guys, get 6 of them. And the beam that's actually here is typically steel. This is wood, and it's not even going, it doesn't even have a beam pocket. It's just butt up against there, so it could just rotate at any time. It's in pretty bad shape. So I'm going to start by fabricating some steel. I'm going to get some angle. We're going to angle on this guy, and the other side we're going to get this guy to where he's anchored in place nice and solid on both ends. Get some kickers up from the wood beam up to these joists on both sides. Once that's secure, then I can go ahead and start getting some real work done. Jade Alpine, little structural project. You can follow my projects. I do videos on them before, during, and afters. Post them on my website, my YouTube channel, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link, and you can watch close to 2,000 videos of my other projects. Thanks for watching. Jade Alpine, little structural repair project.